San Diego County is able to fight wildfires at any time of day. That's all thanks to a new resource approved by the County Board of Supervisors. It's a helicopter that could do those vital water drops even when the sun's not out.
This allows us 24 hours a day to have aircraft flying and hopefully keep them when they're small.
San Diego County knows all too well wildfires can spark at any time, but the ability to fight them from the air can only happen during the day.
But when the sun sets, we are dependent on outside area helicopters to come into San Diego County.
Until now.
For the first time, the addition of this helicopter will provide us 24-hour wildland firefighting coverage.
San Diego County's Board of Supervisors approved buying a new $38 million night flying firefighting helicopter. It'll be the first for our county.
It's really an opportune time for us in the shadows in the evening and the early morning hours to get these aircraft up. And we've also found that in some cases it's easier for the pilots to see through the smoke at night with the night vision goggles and kind of the orange glow from the fire. So it has proven highly effective.
We've seen the choppers like this used in local fires this year, like the wildfire in Paula, but they belong to other local agencies.
The forward rate of spread was stopped by the next morning. I think in large part was we flew the Air Force that night. Not just one. We had 3 or 4 helicopters here flying that night. So I think we've already seen the value of these aircraft.
The air attack asset is expected to be in San Diego County by next spring.
The future's bright, and I think we have the commitment not only from our elected officials, but the residents here understand the incredible threat of wildfire and that we have to continue to evolve over time.
Ryan Hill, ABC 10 News.